Every team has a rhythm. Now you can see the flow. See the work, know the flow. Spot the friction before it grows. Time and payroll support inside. One clear view with HR for IT. HR for IT.
Clocking gaps before payday. Employee context clears the way. A signal starts the conversation. Facts and people shape the action. From the workflow to device support, bring the picture into one report.
Clear records, fairer review. Better decisions start with context too. Small improvements day by day help good work move the right way. See the work, know the flow. See what helps good work